Gazina, Sa, Kiss Gazina. And today, guys, we got some lamb shoulder. So good. As you see, we've got lamb shoulder here, and as you see, it's very tasty and yummy. Nope, it's still hot. Okay, and also you've got some potato, baked potato here.
Potatoes and chicken.
Roasted potato.
I got some potatoes and chicken. Yummy. I want to eat some chicken.
That's good.
I want to eat some chicken.
It's not chicken, it's lamb shoulder. It's roasted lamb shoulder.
It's lamb. It's lamb.
So guys, this is what it looks like when you put lamb shoulder with some rice and the potato and this. And don't forget the special sauce. Sweet chili sauce.
And don't forget. Make sure you don't even forget about it. We'll use it every dish. No.
So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below, put a thumbs up. And bye.
And bye.
We'll take this actually now.
Always me up.